Is on the way up. We're in the mid 60s right now. The dew point now over 60. When it gets over that number, that starts to feel stickier outside. You still have the northeasterly winds in place, 8 miles per hour. Those are going to relax overnight, and we're going to see the expansion of some fog overnight and into tomorrow morning. So if you're traveling around the coastal bend, just give yourself some extra time and be vigilant, as there will be some areas of maybe some dense fog under a quarter of a mile worth of vision out there in the morning. Winds 6 to 12 miles per hour. Again, these are going to slow down, and as that happens, it allows for that fog to develop. So that will start to go down overnight, the wind speeds and the humidity in turn going up. So as the dew point actually rises tonight, some of the air temperatures in the area will also go up during the overnight hours. So we're looking at mid 60s to upper 60s overnight, and the humidity is not going anywhere anytime soon. Going to be very humid through Friday of this week. Temperatures are in the mid to upper 60s, wondering why it's in the low 70s to the south and west of town. Some sunshine prevailing down to the south and west in those communities, getting into the 70s where it's cloudy. Temperatures are staying in the mid 60s. The front that came through over the weekend is a stationary boundary now, resting right up next to the coastline. That will scoot to the north. High pressure going to keep the humidity and the winds coming, as well as the warm temperatures. We're going to be set up for this general trough ridge pattern this week. A disturbance crossing through the central plains will render us very windy here and warm on Wednesday. Another one coming through. We'll drop a front down here. This doesn't happen until the weekend, though. Looks like a Saturday, maybe late afternoon or early evening time frame at this point. And this cold front will bring us a chance for some showers. This is 2:30 on Saturday. Right before the front gets in, I think we'll be in the upper 70s or low 80s. But once it does start to kick through here, again, we're going to see some showers, maybe some thunderstorms, and temperatures will fall into the 50s by Sunday morning. And it's looking like we're going to stay in the 50s on Sunday afternoon. At this point, rain totals, we're still talking about 5 days away or so. Could be anywhere from a quarter of an inch to an inch and a half at this point. So we'll have to refine that range here as the week progresses. But it does look to bring us cooler weather and some damp conditions for the weekend. Before that, way above average in the temperature department. We're going to be in the mid to low 80s, maybe upper 70s in the day. Overnight lows are going to be in the upper 60s to around 70. And then that front drops us into the 50s on Sunday. Tonight, again, watch out for some patchy fog overnight. There may be some areas of light mist or drizzle associated with that fog. Mid to upper 60s by tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, back to the middle and lower 80s and upper 70s in the viewing area with a lot of humidity. Tonight will fluctuate with the temperature because the dew point going up, that'll raise the air temperature a little bit. But after about midnight, with the winds becoming more relaxed, we will see some areas of fog development overnight in the area. Tomorrow, fog is done by about 9. A mix of sun and clouds, high of 81 degrees tomorrow, way above average. If you're on the water, watch out for the morning fog. Otherwise, it'll be choppy with the southeast breeze 10 to 15 knots. Low 80s to mid 80s through Friday. It will be a breezy, humid, and warm week of weather. There's the cold front over the weekend. We'll go from around 80 Saturday afternoon, staying in the 50s here with some showers both Saturday and Sunday this weekend. Leslie, Mike.
All right, thank you, Alan. Well,